Hello and welcome to Car Artisan. Today we have here BMW 1 Series. This is actually a third generation BMW F40. Not to be mistaken with Ferrari F40, but how can you mistaken it with it? So let's start with the exterior. This is how it looks. I really like the headlights of this BMW. The grille, this is how it looks from the front. Quite aggressive. This is the profile view, the side view. Well, from the side it looks like a casual hatchback. Nothing too impressive, at least for my taste. Moving from the back, now I really like the taillights as well. As you can see, this is the 118i model. And let me quickly just unlock this for you. This is the key for the BMW F40 1 Series. Let's unlock it. And the taillights turns on, and I really like the way it glows. I mean, it looks fabulous. Alright, this is the view from the behind. We have a little diffuser right here, which is the color of the body. I think if it was black, it would look a little bit better. A small spoiler or something like that. Moving to another side. And back to the front. Alright, let's turn on the headlights. This is how it looks. It looks really neat. So as I mentioned, this is 118i, but it is actually not 1.8 liters engine. In fact, this is 1.5 inline 3 gasoline engine. Now, I'm not really a fan of what BMW is doing right now, naming the cars not according to their engine, like in the previous years, as if we had BMW 330i, well, it was 3 liters engine. But nowadays, it means something else. Now, another issue I'm having with BMWs, that this car only comes in front-wheel drive or four-wheel drive if you get the X-Drive version. But front-wheel drive, come on BMW, why? I mean, I understand that is their cheapest car in their lineup, but why? BMWs never had a front-wheel drive. Why stop now? Well, anyway, enough of the talk. Let's unlock it and let's see the interior. As we enter the car, we are greeted by this little screen which says welcome. And it's the small things like that that makes BMW feel premium, like they are trying to be. Well, not trying, they are premium brand. The leather wrapped wheel feels really nice. Mechanical buttons, not stupid touch buttons like you see on the other cars. Moving on with the materials, a nice, weird but nice soft material here, cloth material here, plastic here, but nothing that would feel cheap or bad. Even this part right here, I don't think that it will scratch that easily, like we have that problem with some other cars. Your armrest, it's not leather, but it feels also not bad. And as you already probably noticed, the interior is also not leather, it's just a gray cloth. But yeah, that's pretty much it. As for the storage, we have some storage here, some storage here, 2 cup holders, some storage here under the armrest with Type-C outlet right here, but only one, and the regular USB right here, and a 12-volt outlet right here, and the glove box. So that is how it looks. So yeah, we have our cluster right here, our iDrive system screen here, and the control wheel right here, like always, our shifter, and we have 3 driving modes. Well, actually 4. Eco Pro, Comfort, Sport, and if you hit it again, Sport Individual, where you configure your individual settings for steering wheel, let's say engine, transmission, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's for the driving modes. It has auto hold function. On the steering wheel we have our cruise controls on the left. On the bottom we have our heated steering wheel button, and on the right side we have our volume controls, as well as the voice command button. In eco mode we have our speedometer and the fuel gauge on the left, and on the right we have our, I believe that is fuel consumption and the temperature. But as we change it to sport, we finally can see the RPMs. And also, if we go to the menu and we choose the driving information, and there is a sports display. Now, I really like this thing because you can see what your turbine is doing, you can see your oil temperature, you can see your Newton meters, you can see your power in kilowatts, and also you can see your G-forces. That is really nice feature to include for petrol heads and people like me. So that is pretty much for the features. And let's talk about the space. I'm actually 6'5", and I'm sitting here nice and comfortable, as well as I should be feeling comfortable in the passenger seat. And as the driver's seat is adjusted to my liking, let's see if I would fit in the back seat. That is the question, because this is a subcompact car, and as I can see, it's not a lot of space, but it's already better than a Toyota Corolla, because at least I can move my legs in this space, which I was not able to do in the Toyota Corolla. As for the back seat, we have our 2 Type-C outlets, and no armrest, as I can see. That's an interesting addition. And that's pretty much it. That's all you get. Some storage space here. Oh, and also, yeah, we have something like a cup holder here, which is not actually really comfortable to access to. If you was to put your coffee or something here, you might actually even open the lid of the coffee by putting it here, I believe. And the speakers right here, as we can see, so that should sound really nice and clear. Right, let's get outside. As we can see, we have our lighting under the legs, and let's try to get out. Yeah, and let's see the trunk space. As you can see, my backpack is in the trunk. This is how it looks. This is quite a small backpack, but in comparison it looks very similar to Toyota Corolla. And the seats also, of course, fold down. And the trunk is automatic, as you already saw that. So yeah, that is pretty much it for the interior and exterior. Now let's take it for a spin. Alright, let's put it in drive. Let's choose comfort mode and let's go. As soon as you put it in comfort, the start-stop system kicks in, and every time you stop it just kills the engine. Good for fuel efficiency, I guess, but that function sometimes annoys me because it stops the car too often. The steering wheel feels really nice. Let's put on the steering wheel heating on and let's see if the entire steering wheel heats up or just these 2 parts. It really feels all premium in here. I would say that I don't like compact cars, not even talking about subcompact cars, but I feel great in here. I really like it. I mean, you pay extra for BMW. You can say whatever you like, but you do pay extra. And let's be real, you get extra. It feels better than most of the cars. Alright, let's put it back into comfort as we are approaching the highway, as we will try to merge. So let's give it a try, and full throttle. Not too shabby. As you can see, I'm already going the speed of this Audi that is in front of me. Although the wind noise is already noticeable at 70 kilometers, but yeah, it's not that bad. It's bearable. Steering wheel doesn't go anywhere. It stays where it should. The wind noise, I believe it will get irritating after some time, because I can hear the tires, the road, the bumps. Well, I can hear everything. The lane assist just kicked in because I tried to switch lanes without the indicator. The notorious BMW problem. Switching lanes and not using the indicator. Now, as we are approaching the town and lowering our speeds, this car becomes more pleasant because there is way less noise from the outside. It becomes quieter right here inside. Now, the steering wheel got pretty warm. I wouldn't say that it's hot, but I believe it's entire steering wheel that is being heated, not just this section that you are holding most of the time. So that's good. That's actually good, because most cheaper manufacturers would only heat this section of the steering wheel, which is a shame. But BMW didn't do that on this BMW 1 Series. Even though it went with front-wheel drive, but it didn't cut costs any way further, as I can see. And I'm actually not a fan of compact and subcompact cars, but I would see myself daily driving one of these. Well, maybe not this version, maybe 2 liters version. But yeah, it's nice. I really like this car. I needed to switch lanes to the left real quick, and because the car in this lane was quite close, and I just wanted to press the accelerator to get to further myself from the car. And as I floored the accelerator, it took a minute to think, and that's what I really hate about some cars. They take forever to figure out what they want to do. Let's say, for example, I need to merge. Well, not now. Let's make a safer situation. Right. So I'm going right now. Let's put it in 50. All right, I'm going 50 in comfort mode, and let's say I need to floor it. And 3, 2, 1, floor it. And just right now it kicks in. I mean, for the casual driving it's okay, but if you are living in places where the roads are not roads, but the traffic is more aggressive, you need that instant acceleration as soon as you floor your accelerator. So yeah, in this case this could be quite dangerous if you are not used to this kind of thing. Let's say, for example, you are going to the roundabout, you are waiting for cars to pass, and you see a small gap in which you would fit, but you need to press the accelerator a little bit earlier. So yeah, that's pretty much for this car. Okay, now let's try this BMW 1 Series, BMW F40, and test its speed. Let's do 0 to 100, or my fellows from the US, 0 to 60. So let's put it in sports mode, and of course turn off the traction control, DSC off. Let's apply brake, throttle, and 3, 2, 1, go! Alright, the engine kicked in quite nicely. 70, 75, 80, 90 and 100. Alright, this felt actually quite fast. That was really nice. So that would be it, guys. Please comment on how did you like this review. Also, if you liked, please leave a comment on what car should I do next. Maybe another BMW, maybe X1 series, maybe Volkswagen Golf, the new one. Comment any car and I will try to get it for you and review it. So thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to press like. I know everyone says that, but the like will really help me, as well as if you subscribe to my channel. This will really help me to grow. Alright, so that being said, let's lock up the car. Thank you guys again and see you in the next one. Bye!